1980s, 1990s, rise of the World Wide Web. Tim Berners-Lee invented the World Wide Web while working at CERN in 1989. He proposed a universal link information system using several concepts and technologies, the most fundamental of which was the connection that existed between information. He developed the first web server, the first web browser, and document formatting protocol called Hypertext Markup Language (HTML). After publishing the markup language in 1991 and releasing the browser source code for public use in 1993, many other web browsers were soon developed with Mark Andreessen Mosaic being particularly easy to use and install and often credited with sparkling the internet boom of the 1990s. It was a graphical browser which ran on several popular office and home computers, bringing multimedia content to non-technical users by including image and text to the same page. Websites for use by the general public began to emerge in 1993-1994. This spurred computation in server and browser software, highlighted in the browser war, which was initially dominated by Netscape Navigator and Internet Explorer. Following the complete removal of commercial restriction on Internet use by 1995, commercialization of the web amidst macroeconomic factors led to the dot-com boom and bust in the late 1990s and early 20s. The feature of HTML evolved over time, leading to HTML version 2 in 1995, HTML3 and HTML4 in 1997, and HTML5 in 2014. The language was extended with advanced formatting in cascading style sheet CSS and which programming capability by JavaScript. Ajax programming delivered dynamic content to user, which sparked a new era in web design style by Web 2.0. The use of social media becoming commonplace in the 20 allowed user to compose multimedia content without programming skill, making the web ubiquitous in everyday life.